doing?
Hello, friends. Oh, that's my... And hello, Eli. All right, he's going somewhere else. This is lesson 3.3, two-step inequalities. It's going to be the super speediest lecture video that you ever have to watch from me. We're just going to get right to it because I feel like we already know how to do what we're doing, and I just want to give you 3 trickier-ish examples so you have them, you can feel good about it, you can go on your merry way to do our assignment. We're not messing around today. We're just going to solve like normally. We do the same thing to both sides of the equal sign. We're going to do the order of operations backwards. So we're going to add 1 to both sides. That goes away. And now we have 8x is greater than 0. This is why I chose this one, because it could be considered tricky because we have 0 on the one side. We divide both sides by 8. X is greater than 0. 0 divided by 8 is 0. We're just solving. The only thing that's different is if you divide or multiply by a negative, you flip the sign. Okay, another potentially tricky one. We want to get x alone. So we have to do the same thing to both sides of the inequality sign. We're going to subtract 7. Did I say equal earlier? I meant inequality. All right, anyway. We're going to subtract 7 from both sides. We're left with negative x is greater than or equal to, what is that? Is that 6? I think so. Now, this is not our final answer because we still have this negative that we don't want. Remember, when you see just a negative, no coefficient in a variable, sorry, my husband's being really annoying. Okay. Then you add a 1. It's an invisible 1. So we're going to divide both sides by negative 1. When we divide by a negative, we flip the sign. X is less than or equal to negative 6. Remember, flip the sign, flip the sign. Last one. We want to get x alone still. We still do things to both sides of the inequality sign. This time x is on the right, which is why I included this example. We're going to add 9 to both sides. So we get 20 is less than 2x. We have to divide both sides by 2. We get 10 is less than x. Now remember, mathematicians like to put their variables first. So we take this and we can switch it for our final answer to be x is greater than 10. These two are the same, right? It's still eating the same number. So x is greater than 10. All right, those are 3 of the more tricky examples that you would run into on your assignment or types of problems. Like I said, I wasn't wasting any time today. That's all I had for you.